This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, so all of you, good morning. So in today's session, we will discuss about control structures, nothing but conditional statements and looping statements. Okay, right. First, we will go for conditional statements. Conditional statements. I asked you, tell me some of the conditional statements. If, else, else if, right, switch, ternary operator. Some people will say nested also. Okay, you write nested also, no problem. Right. These are all the conditional statements. Okay, right. Now I want to know what is a condition. What is a condition? No, no, no. I'm asking you real life law. What is a condition? I don't need any technical meaning. First, come with the real life meaning. Then we will come to the technical meaning. Generally, what is a condition?
If I like we go to
condition is a rule. Very good. He said it's a rule. Okay. So our agenda, we have to understand from our real life to programmatic. Then you will understand them perfectly and you will never forget them also. What I told you, what are the conditions you are learning here? Same conditions you will use in Java, .NET, Python also. No? If you learn here about conditions, we don't want to learn again there in Java, .NET. So if you can learn here, that's enough, right? What is a condition? What is a condition? Actually, he said, I like the definition called rule. Rule. What else? Telugu meaning, Hindi meaning also acceptable. Condition.
I can tell you the situation.
Yeah, yes, situations also. Yes, we can say, if I learn this, properly, I will get job. If I learn this properly, I will become IAS officer. Hmm? Yes or not, right? If I have money, I will buy iPhone.
Then only I can buy.
Then I will buy iPhone. If in real life, every day when you are speaking with our friends and family, we use a lot of conditions. If I do this, if I do like that, right? Lot of conditions, and you get a lot of suggestions also. Okay, best example: you are traveling to Hyderabad from your native to your hometown to Hyderabad. You are traveling from miles of distance. Obviously, your father and mother will say a lot of conditions. Don't go outside. Spend money within the budget. Don't spend lavishly. Don't go outside. Don't roam outside. Don't speak unknown people. Huh? What are all these called? అంటే they're all conditions. What they will say, if you learn very well, if you learn the course very well, you will get the job quickly. Yes or not, right? What is this? Is hey, he's a guy who will speak conditionally. He's a guy who will speak logically. Sometimes we will say this guy is very logical guy. He will always speak logically. We cannot speak with him. We will use the words, right, in our real life. Definitely we will use the words in our real life like this. Yes sir. So exactly, what is a condition? If you want to say, okay, best example. This is not only the thing. The condition is the place and the situation, where the situation, and situationally condition will have different meanings. Okay, I want to buy a new vehicle. Not new vehicle, second hand vehicle. What I have to check? I have to check the condition of the vehicle. What is the meaning of condition of the vehicle? It's working. See, you're coming to the point. If I want to buy a vehicle, I want a second-hand vehicle because somebody already used the vehicle. I'm the next person to use it. I want to verify, right? What is this is called? What is the condition of the vehicle? Actually, I'm not well known. Then what I will do? I will go to a mechanic. I will tell to him I'm going to buy a new vehicle. Can you check the condition of the vehicle? I will ask him. He is coming there. What he will do? He will do lot of checks. He will drive the car. He will check the body. He'll open the bonnet. He will check all the information. How this is, how this is, how this is, how this is functioning. Okay, what he is doing? He is verifying the things. Okay, verifying the things, and finally he is saying that this car condition is very good. This car condition is very bad. And a verification is happening. And he is doing some calculations. So this is good or not, how much mileage it is giving for the later is all calculated now. After calculating everything, he will give you an idea. This condition is very good. Condition of the vehicle is very good. So what is the condition here? The verification of the vehicle, checking the car body, checking the car parts, checking the car wheels, and checking the mileage, and checking the car body parts and everything is called what? Condition checking. Okay, he's checking the condition by saying, by checking all these things, and if everything is satisfied, then only condition okay. If anyone is not okay, condition is not okay. This car is not good, he will say. And everything is okay, these wheels are not good, then I don't want to buy. See, he's saying that what? In the condition, what happened? Condition of the vehicle may decide whether I'm going to buy or not. If the person said this car condition is very good, I will buy it. Otherwise, I don't want to buy it. Yes, sir. Right. Anything is missing, I don't want to buy. See, the depends. The buying of a product is depends upon the condition. The condition means what? You are verifying lot of things. A condition means what? You are verifying lot of things on the car. Condition, that's the meaning of. And a lot of meanings are there. Okay, one more example. Okay, what is the one more example? Okay, generally one of my friend, let us assume one of my friend went accident. He's in hospital. I went to the doctor. I'm asking the doctor, what is the condition of this patient? What is the condition of the patient? Now, what doctor will say? Directly will say he is very good. No. What he will say? He has to verify his BP, his X-rays, and everything is going to be verified. And finally, he will say he is no more. He is good. He is bad. Something he will say, na. Yes, sir. At the end of it, what is the condition? Condition will tell you something. Yes, sir. What is the condition? You understand? I'm coming technically. I slowly want to come to technically. So condition means we are verifying the person. We are verifying something. We are calculating something. He's calculating his BP and sugar and heartbeat, pulse, and everything is calculating. He is saying that good or bad. Something like this, right? Or without that, he will say everything good. No, there should be condition means what? He has to verify before saying something. Yes, sir. Verification before saying something. Condition. Okay, now programmatically, what is the condition? That is a real life. We all seen what? Real life. So by seeing the real life, I understand a condition is nothing but evaluation process or calculation process. Can I say like this? What is a condition? What is a condition? Tell me please. You tell me. Otherwise, a condition is a verification process or evaluation process or calculation process. You are writing an exam. Your papers are going to be evaluated by somebody now. After evaluating, you are pass or you are failure. Condition. What is the condition? Maybe intermediate exams completed today here, +1, +2 exams, maybe in IP Telangana. Today, right? Last day? Maybe. Okay, after some days, you have to wait for result now. The paper should be evaluated definitely, right? After evaluation, pass or failure. If marks are 35 above, passed, 35 below, fail. If marks are above and below. And we are also calculating here. What are you calculating? You are calculating the marks. You are calculating the BP, sugar, and heartbeat, pulse rate of the patient. We are calculating the vehicle mileage, and we are verifying the body parts of the car. Verification, or checking, or calculation, or evaluation. Everything is what? For what you are doing calculation? Condition. We are checking some condition. If the condition is okay, good. Not no, if this is not good. We will say like this, right? So, what is a condition? If you can ask me, a condition is nothing but an evaluation process. Evaluation process, or a condition is nothing but an evaluation process. Or what is the condition? Evaluation process. Then immediately, what is an evaluation process? Ante, sir, I written the exam, sir. They will evaluate my paper. By calculating all the things, I will get some result. 35 above, 35 below. 35 above, after, see, when you will get 35 after calculating each and every answer. you for every question you will get some marks kada. Every answer you will get some marks. I have to calculate all the marks. If the marks are 35, that is called evaluation process. What is called evaluation process? A condition is nothing but a calculation process. Also we can say nothing but a calculation. CALCULATION calculation process or verification process. Also we can say. Is that not right? Or else calculation process or verification process also we can say verification. Yes, we can say it's a verification or a calculation or evaluation. The word it could be anything. Simply, then if they are asking to explain this doctor patient. Okay. So how this is evaluated? Explain the vehicle. Explain the student marks. Exam completed. He written an exam. After that, a question paper should be evaluated. Na? Right. How this is done? Yeah. Right. This is a condition. This is a condition. Right. So okay. Normally, come here now. I'm writing 10 plus 10 minus 20 plus 20. Can you able to see? I written this. What it is called? Expression. What is called? Expression. This expression should be calculated or evaluated, whatever it may be. You are evaluating or you are calculating. You will get one result. What is the result? 10 no, 1 no, 0 no, 40 no, 50 no, something you are getting some result. Kada. Whatever it may be, you will get some result. Okay? When you get the result after evaluation or before evaluation? After evaluation only. Okay? This is all calculation. This is what? Calculation. Very good, right? All of you? Right. Whatever the value it may be, don't worry about the value. Right. We will get some output definitely. Right. Okay. Now I am writing 10 greater than 5. What is this? Greater than or less than? Huh? Greater than. Okay, na? Right. So now tell me. Is 10 is greater than 5? What are you doing here? You are verifying. You are verifying or checking. Very good. Verifying or checking. Okay. What are you doing here? You are calculating or evaluating. So, but what are you doing here? You are verifying whether that is bigger or smaller. Okay. What is a condition? Ante, wherever you go to, whatever the programming language you are learning, condition means it's an evaluation process or calculation process. That's all. You are verifying. You are checking something. You are checking something. This is good or bad. While you are buying something, this is good or bad. So this mobile is good or bad. So this laptop is okay now. Can I buy this laptop or not? So what? How do you know? Then you are going to check a lot of things. After verifying everything is okay, then I will buy something. Then I will buy something. This is what called verification process or calculation process. Yes, we can say like this: calculation process or verification process. Okay, that's why these are the examples. Simply. So maybe what is an evaluation process or calculation process? This is you have to evaluate this value or you have to calculate this value. We will calculation or calculating or evaluation or evaluating. So generally real life evaluation in the sense what we written an exam, you will get the marks. All the marks will be sorry. You written an exam. All answers should be evaluated, na. After that evaluation, for every answer you will get some marks, right? They will calculate all the answer marks. Finally, they will say you are fail or pass or fail. Okay. Finally, okay. Programmatically, right? This is what how you will write. What is a condition means? A condition is an evaluation process of calculation. You will say like this one, right? What is if statement? If the first statement in the condition is going to be if statement, okay na? If is a statement. Tell me one thing. What is the dictionary meaning of if? Agar, very good. Agar, Telugu? Aite, kanuka. Yes, sir? Agar. Else? Aur agar? Naito. Naito. Telugu? See, first understand the meanings in your own language. Telugu, Hindi, Tamil, whatever it may be. You try to understand the meaning of if in your own language. You will get the answer. You will get the solution. If I pay the fee, I will allow you to the session. Else, I don't want to allow you. If I pay, I can allow you, else I don't want to allow you. The statement I want to convert into programmatic. We'll see how this will be happen. If this is a smaller than, do something, else do something. If it is smaller than, do something, else it is bigger than, do something. We are speaking generally. That's what are the statements that we are speaking. We have to convert into program. That's all. You are speaking a lot of conditional, right? Always he is a conditional guy. You cannot speak with him. He will always speak a lot of logics. We cannot speak with him. He's a very good guy who will speak logically. People will say like this, right? So that logical statements you are speaking, we have to convert into coding. That's all. That's what conditional statement. Don't get to worry about this, very easy if you can understand this way. But seriously, if you are taking this as a programming, you cannot understand. Think like general statements. If I did this, if I do this, if I did this, what is that? That's all. Okay, now, right? Right, a condition, right, will always have a something, and this is going to be the thing. Condition. What is a condition? This is a condition, right? Okay, so what is this is called? Everybody know the block of code. What is going to be called? Block of code. This is block of code. This is what? Block of code. What is the meaning of block of code? And where we can write a collection of statements. A block is used to group multiple statements together. What is the purpose of the block? A block is used to group multiple statements together as one unit. One unit, right? Okay. First of all, side heading, before going to this, let me write the block of code. Let us take this word called block of code. What is this block of code? Why should I write the block of code? What is the purpose of the block of code? Remember, a block of code is not, a block of code is used. A block of code is used. What is a block of code? And simply we will call it as a curly bracket. By using block of code or by using curly bracket, by using how to write this point? By using block of code, we can group the multiple statements together. Multiple statements together. Together as one unit. As one unit. They have to be work as one unit. This has to be work as one unit. What is a block of statement? What is a statement? Simple say hi is a statement. How are you is a statement. Welcome is a statement. Right? Are you good is a statement. Do you completed breakfast is a statement. Everything is a statement. Statement. Right? Everything is one statement. So those statements will creep here like this. So this is going to be right. What we will write? So hi is one statement. Okay, na? Hi is one statement. But programmatically everything should be in double quote. Hi is a statement. Hello is a statement. So welcome is a statement. Something like this. Everything will be called statements. So welcome to JS is one statement. How are you is one statement. Everything is what? Some of the statements. They are all called statements. If the statement is a string, we'll write in double quote. If it is a number, we will write directly. If it is a number directly, we can write the number, right? That is also one statement. So otherwise you are writing document write. Inside the document write, what are you doing? You're writing some message called hi. This is also one statement. You're writing console.log, whatever it may be. If they are in the curly bracket, that is called block of code. Okay, what means? These are all the 6 statements are one group. To group all the statements together, one group this is. So that's why block of code we use it, right? Okay. Block of code is independent or dependent? Independent or dependent? What is? I didn't understand. What is the question? Do you understand the question? Directly you are saying the answer. Block of code is independent, dependent. What is the meaning of independent? What is the meaning of dependent? We have to understand this first, right? Huh? Right. Then how do you say independent, dependent? Let me show you the way. Let's come to the small code. Okay. 1 minute. Let me open a small file here. This is 11 a.m. right? 11 a.m. JavaScript folder. Let us open one file here. Right. So copy the code. Otherwise, paste here. Conditional. Not HTML is a file. Yeah. So let us do one thing. So don't worry about the titles and everything. Just let us move here. Right. So come here now. What it is called? Block of. Generally, if statement syntax, you don't know function. We know function, right? Function add followed by curly bracket. Followed by curly bracket. In this function, I am writing. Wait for a second. Document dot write. Inside, I am writing something called hello. Inside, I am writing hello. How are you? Right. I written two statements. What is called block of code? It contains how many statements? Statement one, hello. Statement two, hello. How are you? Okay, then? Right. Now, if I run this file, can I get output? Are you getting output? No, you are not getting any output. This is actually H1 tag. Okay, otherwise you remove this also, no problem. Yeah. Are you going to get any output on the screen? No. Why you are not getting? And we have to call the function. Yeah, call the function. If you can refresh the page, you will get the output. Hello, how are you? Yes, we are getting the output called hello, how are you? Fine, now? Right. Now, there is no function. There is nothing. This is independent or dependent? What it is called? Independent or dependent? Dependent. On whom? On whom? So now tell me, this block of code is depends upon the function call. If you can call the function, then only block of code will execute it. Now there is no function and there is no function call. Now the block of code is what? Independent block. This is independent block. Previously dependent on the function. This is independent. Now tell me please. Now will it execute it if I run the file? Can I execute this? If I run this file, can I get the output? No. RS. If I run this file, can I get output or not? 100%? 100% yes, sir. You will get the output. Why? Because block of code works as independently as well as dependently also. When there is a condition, it will depend upon the condition. When there is a function, it will depend upon the function call. If there is no function, no condition, it will work independently. Yes, block of code work independently. You run the file, you will refresh the page. Are you getting output or not? Do you have any error? Press F12. Do you have any error? No error. What is the meaning of it? Block of code will work independently as well as dependently also. If there is a function call, depends upon the function. If there is no function, no condition, it will work independently. Independently, yes, that is what block of code. That is what exactly the block of code. Understand? Right. Okay, come to the if statement again. Come here now. So where is this is going to be? Let me save this file as well. The notes folder. Let me save. Oh, already conditions I created. COND conditions dot next. Oh, CONDE. Okay, something wrongly saved. No problem. Okay. So this is the thing. Let us see the syntax of if statement. All of you. Syntax. If statement. Anybody tell me what is the syntax of if statement? What is the syntax of the if statement? Anybody tell me? If you can tell me, you will get the things clear, right? So you already know about this. You learned BTech, right? You all studied in BTech or B degree, BE. What you will call in your area? BTech or BE? BTech, right? Maybe in Maharashtra they will call BE.
MP also be.
Okay, right. Okay, MP also BE. Okay, but here people will call BTech. Okay, whatever it may be, whatever the tech it may be, you tell me syntax of if statement. If followed by condition. It is going to be followed by some statement. What is going to be called? Statement one something. Okay, na? Right. Or we can write like this also. All of you see this carefully. If condition followed by curly bracket. Curly bracket is going to be statement one, statement two. Sorry, this is going to be statement three. Right? We can write like this also. Statements, and so on, statements we can write. Now, here I have written one statement. Can I write second statement also? No. Of course, you can write second statement, but the second statement depends upon the condition or not condition. Remember, after the condition satisfied, if there is only one statement, curly bracket is not required. Remember carefully. After the condition satisfied, if you want to make multiple statements under the condition, these are all the statements depends upon the condition only. If condition is okay, then only these statements should be displayed. Then you have to group them by using curly bracket. Okay? If there is one statement, no curly bracket. If you have more than one statement, depends upon the condition, curly bracket is required. Most of the people, they will write like this, they will write like this also. Be careful. Okay, na? Right, this is the syntax. Now tell me, what is a condition? That's why I asked you, what is a condition? What is a condition? Huh? What is a condition? Tell me now. Now that's the reason I asked you what is a condition. Why? Because either conditional statement, either looping statement. Without condition, there is no loop, there is no condition. And everywhere there should be condition. If the condition is okay, what happened? If not okay, what happened? Okay, now you tell me. I'm writing 10 plus 10 is a condition. Is a condition? Is a condition. My question is what? Is it 10 plus 10 is a condition or not? Then what is a condition? Condition means what? Expression. Condition means what? Evaluation process you told me, na? But this is a calculation, na? But is it a condition or not? See, you told me what is a condition? Condition is an evaluation process or calculation process. What it is going to be 10 plus 10 is what? Calculation or evaluation, right? Then 10 plus 10 is a condition or not? 10 plus 10 is a condition or not? Yes, 10 plus 10 is a condition. And what do you mean in yourself? What is a condition? And I know that many of the people are saying that 10 less than or equal to 20. Is it a condition? This is a condition. If there is a less than and a greater than, then that is a condition. This is what we are assuming. If there is less than and greater than, then that is a condition. If it is a plus, this is not a condition. Okay, I will write something like where x is equal to 100. Is it a condition? I'm writing like, is it a condition? Okay, can I use this as a condition? If there is a less than and greater, the problem with us is what? We learn like this. If there is a less than and greater than, then only this is a condition. Otherwise, the remaining are not conditions. We learn like this. Maybe you have to come out of it. We are learning differently. What is a condition? What you learn there, that is a different thing. What we are learning here, that is a different thing. That is you learn in college days for getting pass. Here we are learning for getting job. That is a different. This is a different story now, right? Yes, please now. So okay, now I'm writing hello world. Is it a condition? It's a statement. See, is a condition or not? Okay, we will see. True is a condition. True. I just want to pass a true. And what I'm telling you, in place of this condition, if I plus 10 plus 10, what happened? If I plus 10 less than or equal to 20, what happened? X is equal to 100. If I pass, what happened? Hello world, if I pass, what happened? True, false. If I pass, what happened? I want to know that. That's the actual thing. Okay, na? Right. Here, I'm passing something called false. I'm passing 0. I'm passing 1. I'm passing 1. I have to pass some expression, or I'm passing some minus value, negative value. In place of the condition, if I pass all these values, what will be happen? I want to pass something called null. I want to pass something called undefined. I want to pass. What is the thing called? Undefined I want to pass. So what are all these? They are all conditions, sir. Remember, at the end of it, you have to understand, and after evaluation of the condition, or calculation of the condition, you will get the result. The result may be what? Okay, what I want to tell you here, you have a block of code now. This is a block of code. If this is, and what is the meaning of it? And remember carefully. If the let us write the point, note or something. If the condition is here now. If the condition is evaluated to true, true value, the block of code will executed. Block of code will executed. Otherwise, block of true, you are getting anything. This is not. Will the block of code executed? No. When it will be executed, if it is true. I mean, I'm telling you, truth value. After evaluating, if the result is a truth value or a true value or anything, block of code will executed. Otherwise, block of code will never executed, and otherwise, the block of code will never executed. The block of code will never executed. Write the point. Write the syntax. Write the point as well. Write the syntax, write the point. No need to write everything. Just write the syntax of if statement. Underline this. Underline the condition here. All of you, you need to underline the condition. If the condition, see, make this as an underline, and underline. Highlight this. If this condition is evaluated to true, if this condition is evaluated true, this block will execute it. All of you, can you see me here? So if the condition is evaluated to true, if this is evaluated to true, this block of code will execute it. This is what? Block of code. This is all called block of code. When this will be printed, if this is evaluated to truth value, okay, after calculating this, if you are getting the result as a truth value, then only this block of code will execute it. Otherwise, that is not going to be executed. I will show you practically. Write it first. Write it. Write the syntax, write the note point as well. Then what is the thing? After evaluation of the condition, true, block of code executed. Otherwise, block of code will never executed. Okay, now right. Good. Let us go to the same thing. This is what a condition. What is what a condition, right? Okay. Now come here. This block of code is independent or dependent? Independent. Okay, now right. Remember carefully. If now the block of code is what? Depends upon if statement. So earlier block of code depends on function call. Now the block of code independent. Now the block of code is what? Depends upon the condition. I mean what? Are you passing anything here? No, I am not passing anything. Will it works? If I am not passing anything, condition is mandatory. Now if you can run the file, you will get error in the console. What are you getting in the console? You are getting error. Syntax error means that condition is mandatory. Condition is mandatory. What is a condition? 10 greater than or equal to 5. Evaluate this. Please evaluate this. Is the 10 or evaluate or verify? Is the 10 is greater than 5? Kada? Yes, sir. Ante Telugulo. Cheppandi. 10 is bigger than 5. I said English. You have to convert into role language. Okay, na? 10 is bigger than 5. Correct? What are you saying? See, 1 minute, please, all of you. Once again, I'm asking the question. Is 10 is bigger than 5? What is the answer you are saying that? Yes. Yes. Yes means what programmatically? True. You have to convert like this. If you say no, programmatically you have to say false. Had your breakfast? Right? You are a true programmatic guy, and what you have to say? Okay, for example, your mother is asking by calling your phone, had your breakfast? True, mummy. If you say what breakfast true, and what type of breakfast is true, maybe they will think like this. Okay, na? What you will say generally? You will say yes. But programmatically, what we have to say? True and false. That is real life. This is programmatic. They, for everything there is answer. Only thing is patience in it. You should have some patience. First of all, by seeing this, don't be hurry. First of all, read the statement. What is the statement I have written there? So here, inside this, what are you passing? This is called condition generally. First, read it. 10 is greater than or equal to 5. If 10 is greater than or equal to 5, read it like this. You will get the answer. What is the answer? Right? If it is okay, what I told you, what it is called? This is generally called condition. After evaluating this condition, what is the result you are getting? True na? True means this block of code will execute it. Right? Let us go and check this. I'm refreshing the page. If I refresh, what is the output you are getting? You're getting the output na? Hello, hello, how are you? You are getting the output. Okay, now I'm rating 10 less than or equal to 5. Is the 10 is less than or equal to 5? Evaluate it first of all. Evaluate this. Is the 10 is less than or equal to 5? No. No means false. False means will the block of code executed? No. The block of code will never execute. Remember, block of code is depends upon the condition right now. Previously depends upon function call. Okay, now this is a block of code, right? Okay. This is what condition. Now I want to play like this. 10 plus 10. What is the output? What is the output? I mean, 10 plus 10. What is the result? 20. 20 is a truth value, na? False value, na? True na false? 20. 20 is a truth value, na? False value, na? False value. Is 20 is false value or truth value? Truth value. Truth value means you will get the output. Then what is 10 plus 10? Is it a condition or not? Then tell me, how can we say that is a false value? So what I want to tell you, I will tell you, I will give the one clarity. It's a common thing. So how can we say? And I cannot show you the proof here. I too don't know. Right? Okay, okay. I will come. Here 10 plus 10. It's a truth value. Then what is a false value? I want to give you that clarity. If I can tell you, you will understand what are all the truth values, what are all the false values. That's all. Only 4 cases false values. Remaining all the cases truth values only. Whatever it is. Okay. Let me tell you one more way. I'm writing a string hello world. Is it okay? Can I pass a string here? This is a string. You have proper syntax, double quote, everything is open and everything is proper. And this is a truth value. Yes, this is also truth value. Now you see the output. Getting output na. Output is not coming, false value. That's all. Very simple understanding. Okay na? Right. So now I'm going to take this value is going to be truth value. I'm directly passing truth. Directly passing true. At the end of it, evaluation is what? True, you are passing true, output will be there. But if I can false, can I get the output? No output, guys. Remember carefully. If you directly pass the false, no output. Okay, one case I understand. Okay, after evaluating expression, if we can pass the value false, block of code is not executed. So remember this value called what? False. Let us go for this file. What is the case, guys, you are getting? So if the after evaluation, after the condition evaluation, if the result is false, we get the block of code? No. If the result is false, the block of code will never execute. Don't write the point. Don't write the point. You have to wait for some time. The block of code will never execute it. Lot of things are going to become here after comma. Wait for some time. Okay, we want to tell you, right? Okay, this is done. Now I am writing the value called 10. Can I get output? True is also for truth value, but this is also truth value. You will get the output. Now I am writing 10 minus 10. What is the result? 0. 0 is truth value or false value? False value. You are not going to get the output. What is the meaning of it? After expression evaluation, if the result is false or 0, block of code will never executed. Result is 0. If I got 1, let us go to the file. Where is my file? Yeah. So come here now. I'm making this value to 1. Can I get output? Except 0, everything is truth value. Can I pass my negative value? Is it okay? What is the value? Truth or false? Except 0. Remaining all are what? True values only. Okay. Now you see this carefully. You are getting output or not? Maybe I will write sometimes like this: 10 minus 20. What is the result? Minus 10. Minus 10 is the truth value, na? Right. What is the false value right now? As of now, 0 and false are the falsy values. Okay, na? Right. Now I'm going to do what? X is equal to 100. Can I take like this? Is it valid? 100% valid. This is also, yes, we can do like this. Condition means don't think blindly. It's less than, greater than. Condition means it's a verification process. Whatever you are passing there, that will be verified. At the end, you will get some result. The result is true, na? Block of code executed. Result is false. Block of code will never executed. Very simple thing. You should go like this. Okay. Right. So come here now. This is going to be right. So like this, you can pass anything you test it. Okay. Now I'm passing null. Null means what? Empty. Empty. There is nothing in the null. What is output now? Nothing. Very good. I can pass undefined. Undefined. Can I get the output? No output. I mean, the four cases. I got the four cases. Evaluation, result is null or undefined, any one of the case. The block of code will never execute it. If the result is false or 0 or null or undefined, any one of the result, remaining all the cases, block of code executed. Evaluate it. Open your mouth. 10 less than 5, 10 greater than 5. You will get the answer. What is the answer? True or false? True means block of code, otherwise no block of code. Understand? Right. Okay. Now let's come to the same scenario. Right. So tell me this scenario if you can understand everything. True and true. True and true. I think you written somewhere truth tables. Do you remember? What is true and true? True, ne? Then what is the output then? Will you get output or not? Yes, you will get output, na? Definitely you will get output. You're getting output or not? Yes, you're getting the output also. Okay. Now I am writing 10 greater than or equal to 20 and 10 is equal to 10. What is the output? How do you say false? Sorry? First of all, you have to evaluate these two now. After evaluating these two, what is the result? 10 is greater than 20 now. Is 10 is greater than 20? No. No means what? False. What is the operator we are using? And. 10 equal to 10? Yes, true. False and true. False. If the false result will be there, there is no result. You have to think like this, guys. Then only you will understand the evaluations and expressions very, very clearly. If you can go such a way, how big the condition, how big the expression it may be, go like this, you will get the answer. Get the answer like this definitely. Okay, na? Right. Very important thing. This is a way of evaluating expression. I think what it is called. This is all called what? Condition. That we are passing this way. Actually, this is all called what we have to call, and this is going to be called expression. But we are placing the expression in place of the condition. So that's why we are calling this as a condition. Okay? Less than or greater than, maybe anything. What it is called? Condition. While writing condition, we can apply a lot of operators also. Based on the operators, this will be evaluated. Okay, na? Write this also. First, write this always. You write just false and true. False and true. What is the result? False. False and true. False and true is what? False. So block of code will never exist. Like this, you have to understand. You will get this idea by practice. Without practice, by just reading theory, no idea, nothing. Doesn't help you much. Right? It. If you can understand this, yeah, you'll get the things clear. Good. Finally, I have one question. Why should I write a condition? What is the purpose of a condition? What is a condition we seen? What is the purpose of a condition? Why your father, mother will say a lot of conditions to you? Why they will say many conditions to you? Every day you will call to them, right? They will say a lot of conditions. Why they are saying conditions to you? To follow. Very good. If you can follow, what will be happen? You will get a very good career. Yes, sir. Right. That's why they are saying, right? Maybe. Yeah. Okay. I want to know what is the purpose of the condition? Why should I write the condition? What is the necessity of writing condition? What is a conditional programming? Conditional programming. What is the meaning of it? Why? What is a condition? We understand. Why should I write a condition?
To verify a situation.
Okay, to verify a situation. To verify a situation. Fine. So for this, I will give you more clarity. Okay, now tomorrow we have to discuss remaining statements. Else if, switch. There we will see them. Okay, but one thing. Uh, can I go now? Okay, no need to worry. Tomorrow, anyhow, we will finish everything. Don't worry. I will try to finish all, but not in a hurry. But what you will do today, you practice all these cases. Okay, if I can pass such a way, what is this? Is the result is this? Is if the result is something? If the result is something, what is the output of the program? You should understand. You can pass lot of expressions, lot of calculations. You can pass there. That's why. What is a condition finally? Ante it's a calculation or it's an expression. Okay, na? Right. Scroll up or down? Down is nothing, na? Right. After condition evaluation, if the result is false or zero or null or undefined, the block of code will never execute it. But in the remaining all the cases, block of code will execute it.